The stuff me and Matt get into. Like
a great neighbor.
Yeah.
State Farm is here.
We only got 4 more sets to get. Be nice to have a 16-foot trailer with a ramp right now. 6540 is what we weigh. So
the truck.
The truck, not me and Matt. We're gonna come down to this junkyard because it's the closest one, and I don't want to drive around with that too much. There it is. In all its beauty. Let's see what one of those pays. What do you get, reckon? Matt, what do you think they'll pay? I don't know either. $5.
Probably $4.50.
Junkyard tour.
A 3-hour tour.
Yeah.
What was it, 6540?
I think so. Dang, they got a brand new trailer. Or are they?
Are they good at painting?
Yeah, they might be good at painting. Alright, what are we weighing? 5,800?
Yep.
Alright. Second one. Oh, okay. Alright, we got the third one. This one's a little longer, so we had to flag it again. Well, we figured out to collect. I don't know. I don't know if we're doing it right or wrong. We're getting it there though. Yeah. Alright. Well, this is the last one right here. Last one of 4. So we'll see what 4 rollers pay us. They're heavy, so there's our other ones. It just made it. Got them right there, just spread apart. He made a mess with them, didn't he? I think right there. Alrighty, guys. Went back and picked up those 2 pallet jacks. Now got us a little load of shred that was in the back of Matt's trailer. We didn't want to put it in the storage unit, but let's go over what we made. $277.20 on all those racks. So they weighed, first one was, let's see, 740 pounds, 760 pounds, 780 pounds, and 800 pounds. So that's what we have today off those. That ain't bad. It's like $140 a piece almost. Now we're gonna go get rid of this little road. Can't talk. Load. And then clock out. How's it going, man? We don't get paid by the hour.
Y'all have a good one.
You too, buddy. Well, we're all done for the day. But I was coming home, so I figured I might check a few on the way. Oh, that one's got 2 ceiling fan boxes. Found the TV a while ago too. Can't help it. Sometimes they leave wire in here. That's aluminum. I'll take the aluminum. This one should have one too. Oh, this one's got the wires in it. Alright, ain't gonna make a mess. I'll take it. Start calling these dumpsters like a mini landfill. That's what it smells like. Alrighty, guys. Let's go over that last ticket we went in at Cunningham Metals. That's where I take all most of my metal to. Go there, tell them I sent you. 660 pounds at 7 cents a pound for $46.20. So puts a little bit more money in mine and Matt's pocket for the day. But also, look at this. The prettiest part of my truck. I put some new headlights on her yesterday. So we can see at night. But anyways, I know this ain't much of a video or long. I don't know. I haven't looked at it, but that's what I did today. So that's a pretty good little payday for the amount of work we had to do. So I really appreciate y'all. I'm gonna get some dumpsters, hit some dumpsters soon for the day, make a big long dumpster diving video or something. So I'll try to do that in a couple days. So I appreciate y'all hanging out and sticking around and all that good stuff. So y'all guys have a good one. I'll see you on the next one. Look, my wife already put out the Halloween decorations.
Oh, jackpot!